The pivot shoe assembly attaches to the front of your recip saw and provides a support as you cut. It helps to control the saw during the cut. The most common issue with the shoe is simply losing it. If the saw is used extremely hard, the pivot hinge between the mounting bar and the shoe can break, causing the shoe to fall off. Replacing the pivot shoe is a simple repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old pivot shoe from the saw. I'll use an Allen wrench to loosen the screws. Once the screws are loosened, I can remove the shoe. Now I can install the new shoe. I align the forks with the housing and slide it into place. And I'll finish by tightening up the screws. And that's how simple it is to replace the pivot shoe assembly on your recip saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.